Okay, I'll do it. If that's what it takes, I will stay there tonight.
You have to stay in the captain's suite.
The what?
Lost his mind, got his family with an axe.
Of course, we then named a suite after him. Anything else?
The ungrateful Hortense Fitzgerald.
Was she the lady who fell out of a window?
Ugly woman who fled her wedding, back through a window and fell to her death. If you say ugly Hortense 3 times, you'll see her ungrateful reflection.
You know, I'm gonna ask that we start questioning these narratives. There's misogyny in the air, more than a whiff.
You're not writing these down.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, New Year's Eve, 1962 disaster.
Yeah. John Reynolds' head in the dumbwaiter.
That clown killer of 51.
Oh, yeah.
This was a guy who killed clowns?
No, it was a murderer who dressed as a clown.
Sorry.
He should spend time in that crawl space.
Thank you, Rosemary.
All the way to the back, too, not halfway.
Not a problem. Anything else?
He's not going to spend the whole night there.
Kurt could lock him in.
Okay, I'll do it. But when I do, all this talk stops, right? You let it go. You let Taurus stay there in peace. Agreed?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't do it.